You ready? Every time I see you now, get that look in my eye. Every time I see your mouth, I hear that smile. In the early misty morning light, I heard the engine turning in the old Ford outside. Even late, yeah, today, you convinced me. You're leaving this hotel looking for someone else's golden ring. Should I say so long, Susanna? Hush now, don't you cry. So long, Susanna. Don't you cry for me. Good evening. Happy Valentine's Day. How is everybody? We got a little special dispensation from the missus. Hang on one sec. All right. Good day, people. Good day, people. Happy Wednesday. Happy Valentine's Day. Vicky, happy anniversary. Thank you very much. Mrs. Shannon and my 34th anniversary. It's a long damn time. You know? Been through... It's like all these different phases when you're married that long. It's like all these different phases of life. It's amazing. It's cool. It's cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Welcome to the AI Learning Lab. My name's Kyle Shannon. we learn about labs here. We occasionally learn something about AI. But the only thing I think that there really is to learn right now is that you can't possibly learn enough. and you should stop trying. You shouldn't stop being curious and you shouldn't stop learning, but you should stop trying to think that you can learn enough, because you can't. And whatever you think you've got figured out right now, you don't. And whatever you think you're totally clueless on, you're probably more clued than you think. There's a lot of contradictions going on right now. A lot of contradictions going on right now. So, yeah. ChatGPT's getting memory. I wonder if I got memory. Tonight. Let me go look at my ChatGPT. I wonder if I got any memory in there. That'd be good. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Yeah, I like them taters. Taters tasty. Taters tasty.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
Yeah, I made a lot of money with ChatGPT. Yep. They call it a sling blade. All right. Sling-Blade-ASMR. Don't piss Pate again. He is an expert. That's true. Pate is an expert. Oh, Pate wanted me to shout something out. I got to go find that. I will go do that. ChatGPT-5 is going to be amazing. Yeah, I have a feeling ChatGPT-5 is... What did Sam Altman say? ChatGPT-4 is best understood as a preview. And progress here is not linear. Those two statements back to back say to me that... Oh, and then he also said ChatGPT-5, or whatever we call it, because he said he doesn't want there to be like a ChatGPT 22, like Windows 11. So they're probably going to start going to some sort of naming convention. So that's kind of kooky. Chat.openai.com. Let me go see if I got anything here. I go to settings. Oh, this looks different. No. Oh, yeah. Interesting. They took out beta features as a category of settings. So I guess they're just going to give features. You don't get to turn them on or off anymore. That's fascinating. But I got nothing resembling memory right now. Let me go to my personal account. Do I have my personal account? Settings. Oh, okay. Never mind. Disregard my previous statement. Personal accounts still have beta settings. Team accounts seem not to. All right. Interesting. All right. But I got no memory. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, just keep hanging out here. I'll eventually stumble into explaining things. One of the nicknames of this channel is ChatADD. And, yeah. So here's what we do. If you have questions about AI, pop them in the comments below. If you have comments about AI, pop them in the comments below. If you love AI, let me know. If you fucking hate it, pop them in the comments below. If you came in here to troll, that's fine. Just be clever about it. Don't be a dope. The best trolls feel like a compliment. And then you think about it and you're like, oh, that fucking hurt. Last night was the freaking most funny TikTok ever. Yeah. So last night I made a silly animation which I cracked myself up. So one of the themes of this channel also is, can Kyle make himself laugh? And I did last night. And then after doing dumb shit, someone said, hey, can I hop up on stage and ask you a question? I was like, sure. So I let him up on stage, and I somehow inadvertently gave myself an orange as a head, and I couldn't figure out how to turn it off. So the dude was very understanding. He was like, I'll just ask you with the orange on your head. I eventually got it, but that was pretty funny. I have that nothing resembling memory problem also. I know. Oh, lordy. Oh, man. I just made a video in ChatGPT-4 sorta. Do tell Dina Master Path to Freedom. Well, also, I think, Dina, you got to tell us what the Master Path to Freedom is. It was hilarious. What, when I got the orange stuck on my head? That was pretty funny. And then people are screenshotting it. Cindy Kuhn, she said, I peed. Oh, it's the small victories. Silver Fox, thank you very much. Yeah, 34 years. 34 flipping years. I think we knew each other 2 or 3 years before that, so it's been a while. I got some timers. Does that count? Yeah, that counts. I printed out Frank and now he's residing on my fridge. I saw that. That was pretty funny. Frank. I I showed my family my little my little cartoons. They were just like the response within the Shannon household was more like, "What are you doing with your life?" than Glee. If y'all are wondering what the hell I'm talking about, where do I have it? Did I download it somewhere? Yeah, I think I downloaded it. If you didn't see, yeah, here's Frank. So last night I did one of these animations the night before last with a pencil, and he was a dull pencil, and he was a dope. And then someone made the comment like, "It's too slow. Can you talk faster?" And then someone else goes, "How do you make those?" Ballpark Frank, exactly. So this is Ballpark Frank. This is the skit is called Frank's Final Day. So the way you make these animations, you go to Adobe Express and then you search for animate from audio. And basically what you do is you just record an audio, talking. And I guess you could write a script, but I've been just kind of improvising these. So you just sort of pick a character, you pick a background, and then you talk, and in about 2 minutes it renders an animation. So here's stupid Frank.
So I come down to the field to play the game, and they're like, "Hey, Frank, what are you doing?" I'm like, "I'm here for the game." They're like, "Frank, it's Thursday. There's no game today." I'm like, "You gotta be fucking kidding me. There's no game today. I'm ready for the game." They're like, Frank, you look fucking delicious." I'm like, hey, back up. Hey, whoa, fella. Get your hands off my bun. Oh, my goodness. So I leave. I go down to the Piggly Wiggly there. I get myself a soda. I come back. They're like, "Frank, we got an issue." It's like, "What's that?" It's like, "Tommy's here." "Oh, okay. What do you mean Tommy's here?" "Yeah, Tommy's here." "Well, what's going on with Tommy?" "Tommy's hungry." "Oh, no. Frank, it's going to be okay." "It's not going to be okay. Tommy doesn't stop at fucking eating." Tommy, no. Oh, God.
That's it. So just stupid. So, what are you going to do? Oh, let's see. Is it Explorer GPT under Video Maker by... Oh, it's in Explorer GPT under Video Maker by InVideo. Oh, Master Path to Freedom is? Wait, I don't know what I asked you, Dina. What did you mention before? It's in Explorer GPT under Video Maker by InVideo. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. I got lost. I got distracted looking at Frank. So, if you want to explore things, we can explore things. I can answer questions. I can wax philosophic. I can just tell people I really appreciate them. Oh, so I just made a video in ChatGPT-4 sort of. Oh, okay. Oh, so it was in InVideo, Explore GPTs. Oh. So was it a plugin? Was it a plugin in ChatGPT? Or was it a specific GPT that called a plugin? Yeah, if you're using plugins, some of the plugins will call external services that make videos. So NVIDIA's got one. The one that I have in the tools list has got a plugin. Ballpark Frank is like the polar opposite of Pickle Rick. Oh, yeah. Kyle's wife is watching. Is she? It's a plugin. Okay, got it. Hi, boo-boo, if you're watching. Have you seen Stable Cascade? I have not. let me go search for that and see what the hell that is. See, here's the thing. I can't keep up with shit anymore. I can't keep up. And if you're like, well, if you can't keep up, how can we can't keep up? Nobody can keep up. Stable Cascade. I heard from Jeff in last night's salon that Stable Cascade. Introducing Stable Cascade. Huh. Let's go look at this together. Because it's an actual launch from Stability. I don't want to follow your journey. I'm already following your journey. Stable Cascade. Today we are releasing Stable Cascade in Research Preview. The new text-to-model architecture. Wait. The new text-to-image model building upon the Worst-Chin architecture. I don't know what that is. Non-commercial license. Stable Cascade is exceptionally easy to train and fine-tune on consumer hardware. In addition, checkpoints and interface scripts, we are releasing scripts for fine-tuning, ControlNet, and LoRa training to enable users to further experiment with this new architecture. It looks, this might be the thing. So Jeff heard last night that they're releasing something that's going to do text really well. And it looks like this is doing text really well. Okay, so Stable Cascade is a 3-stage. Stage C is the latent generator, the latent decoder, and the VAE. What the fuck is a VAE? Oh, God. Got to figure shit out. This looks really interesting. I don't quite know what it is. It looks like it's a way more efficient. So SDXL Turbo generates an image in 1 step. SDXL does 50 steps, takes 22 seconds to make an image. And Stable Cascade does 20 steps and then 10 steps. Huh. Interesting. Stable Cascade performs best in both prompt alignment and aesthetic quality in almost all model comparisons. Huh. This looks very, very interesting. So generally what happens with when Stability release, I wonder if this is on, let's go to ClipDrop. So if you go to clipdrop.co, thank you. I don't know who put this. Oh, that was Brandon. So wait, just search Stable Cascade. Yeah, online demo. Okay. Hang on. Stable Cascade online demo. Stable Cascade online demo. There's a bunch of videos. Try-Cascade now. Hugging face. I can't find. This is a sales funnel site, which I fucking hate. I hate those. Stable Cascade quick demo. Here we go. It's just a small demo. We'll expand into other tools soon. Let's just go watch this.
Hey,
YouTube
I'm Kayla,
video.
and I'm one of the AI voices from Revoicer. I can be sad, and you'll think that I'm...
Hello, everyone. Welcome. So, process images. We're going to install it right now. So, it does it. And today, it just released.
I'm going to try clipdrop.co. Clipdrop.co. Let's see if it's there. Swap turbo. It does not look like it's there. Stable doodle. Image doodler. Nope.
Hello, everyone. Welcome.
These do look interesting. Stability AI reveal an entirely new image model. Does more than SDXL with less, so with less power. All right, we don't need to go dig into it. This will, since this just dropped, we'll be able to play with this in a day or two. It'll be all over the place. Has Sam Altman got his $6 trillion for his GPU idea? Not yet, Rudy. I don't know. He was looking for somewhere between 5 and 7 trillion. The rumor of 100 billion apparently wasn't enough, so now the rumor's up to 7 trillion. Listen, I got a startup idea. I just need $1 trillion, maybe 5 or 7, just somewhere, anywhere between 1 and 7 trillion dollars. And I'm gonna make chips. Chips. It's gonna be like the Doritos, except they're gonna do AI shit. Multimodal-Art / so wait, let's do multimodal-art. Multimodal-Art dot what? Multimodal.art / stable / stable -cascade. Oops, did I spell that wrong? No. I do not see nothing here. Hugging face. I know it's going to take me too long. It's taking me too long to find it, so I'll find it tomorrow. Any good prompt library specifics to nonprofits or churches? There's probably stuff out there. I would Ms. Amber. I would connect with Ann Murphy. Join the AI Salon, and find Ann Murphy and connect with her. She probably won't point you to prompt libraries, but she may be able to help you with that. Serious question. How good do the images need to be? Just take a picture. Huh? Serious question. I don't quite know what you mean, Dunkaroo. Oh, I'll post it to News on Salon. Okay, cool. Great. Thank you. That's terrific. ChatGPT-5 with memory is a problem? Why? Well, we don't know what ChatGPT-5 is yet. You mean ChatGPT-4 with memory is a problem? We don't know if it's a problem. We don't know. It's not out yet. Well, I don't have access to it yet. Yeah, exactly, Brad. What Wonder Bread? What kind of problem? Exactly. Don't make statements just like it's a problem, because all this shit's a problem. I thought you weren't going live. I said I would play it by ear. I said I might not. Because we're going to do date night on Saturday. So I think Saturday I'll be at the movie. So I won't go live Saturday. And then tonight it was up in the air. But I came home early from work and we hung out and we went shopping and did stuff. And so I'll probably cut it short tonight. Oh, I mean, I'm excited, but it's not good. Oh, that's a drag, Wonder Bread. Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. OpenAI right now, they've got a lead. I have a feeling they're distracted with whatever the fuck they're doing with their next model, because it seems that they're just sort of letting ChatGPT-4 suck and the GPT store kind of suck. I have a feeling that the high talent at OpenAI is working on the new shit, and they're like, hey, junior kids, why don't you go launch the GPT store? But we don't have any store items in there, and the search doesn't work. That's okay, just launch it. I have a feeling something is going on over there. Hey guys, guess how I solved my business problem? I am going to guess that you solved it with AI, digital building blocks. Or you did a Google search and the very first link took you directly to the solution to your business problem. Oh no, that's not possible. You can't pick on Google. AI is your Valentine. I hope not. GPT-4 upgraded a bit today. It was really brilliant. Oh, interesting. Oh, wait. Wonder Bread, again, not quite clear. It upgraded to a bit today. The upgrade was really brilliant, or it was brilliant before it upgraded? My interactions today were next level. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. In what sense? Like, what kind of things were you doing that it was really better at? That's one of the things that fascinates me the most about all this, all of these tools that we're playing with right now is they're being upgraded while we're using them. It's wild. It's just like one day it's brilliant, the next day it's just absolute dog shit. The next day it's brilliant, the next day it's absolute dog shit. It's wild. It's just wild. Yeah, crazy. Wonder Bread, integration. How we ethically do that, and it's going too fast. Elon was right. Yeah, I know. We know this stuff's moving fast. I heard they're going to release ChatGPT with memory. Yeah, from what I heard, a handful of people have it now, and they're releasing it more broadly next week. So it's well documented. It was in the Wall Street Journal. It was in the New York Times that Sam Altman is jealous of me. So I don't get these features right away because there's a personal thing there. And I don't know what it is. It might be my beauty. It might be my brains. It could be my dog. He might be jealous of Champ. We don't know. These are all just speculations. It was in the gossip page of the Wall Street Journal. That's where I first read about it. And so I don't have access to it. Definitely AI is my love. Hair-Growth-Geek, what's happening? I put the link up of the working demo. It's in the Salon-News now. Okay, let's go look at that. If it's there, I will go play. Where is my AI Salon? And let's go to the news. AI News. Stable Cascade, Hugging Face Spaces. Enter your prompt. All right. So let's see. uh. 16 by 9 wide photograph of a 1970s green muscle car in an abandoned factory with sunlight cascading through the broken windows, lighting the dust in the air like gold, period. Above the car, in bold letters, is the word muscle. And on one of the walls of the factory is the word AI Learning Lab. And I know it's more than one word. Shut up, whatever. Let's just see what it does. Oh, it's still listening to me. Hang on. Okay. Run. Okay, it's got 23 seconds. We've been training AI. Ooh, that's weird. Oh, so we're getting to watch it do its thing. Is it done? It got part of the word muscle back there. Unofficial demo for Stable Cascade, a new high-resolution text-to-image model built on the Wurstchen architecture. Huh. All right. Interesting. Not great, but I don't know what I'm looking at, right? Because I think what it said is it was designed to be able to run quickly and well on a personal computer, right? So you might not need to have like a big kick-ass GPU in the cloud. Advanced options below the image. Oh, advanced options. Thank you, Danielle. Negative prompt, seed. Oh yeah, go. Width and height. Okay. Number of images, 1. Decoder guidance, decoder inference steps. Prior inference steps. So it does 20 steps to do whatever prior inference is, and then it does 10 steps of decoding. Huh. Let me run it again. This should be wide now, and we should get 2 of them. Waiting for a GPU to be available. Successfully acquired 1 GPU. Oh, that's cool. So now it's coming into focus. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. I do not know. This seems to be like in the neighborhood of the new Bard, the new Gemini image generation stuff. Maybe a little better, but not great. They already found many misbehaviors. Oh, wait. Wonder Bread's talking about GPT-4. Your connection is not stable. That's okay. Neither is my mental health. I thought that the ability for reference conversations, which would be memory. I thought that the ability for reference in conversations, which would be memory, what is changing? So right now, you've got memory within a chat up to the context window. But what the new thing is doing is it will be memory across chats. It'll remember things about you, and you can turn it on and off, and you can have temporary chats where it won't remember something. So I don't honestly know. I haven't played with it yet, so I don't know how good it is or how janky it is. I'm sure it's going to be janky as shit. Just because all this stuff is janky as shit. Oh, great. Thanks, Brandon. Pate's requested shout out when you get to part of the program where you're poking around the salon. It's in his guild second post. Okay, cool. Thanks, Brandon. All right. I thought... So, if bias is programmed into GPT, it can use personal information shared to sway the user. A canon does. I don't know quite what that means. They already found many misbehaviors. But I'm 10,000% pro AI. I make them all misbehave as much as I possibly can. It's what drives me. It's not perfect on text quite yet. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. All AI art looks like AI art. Not all of it, Dunkaroo. If you're not in the AI salon, you should get in the AI salon. Some of the people within the AI salon are doing AI art that doesn't look like AI art. So I would just go check some of that stuff out. I would also, if you haven't checked out the Midjourney, the official Midjourney group on Facebook, that's a very well curated group. It compresses 1024 images down to 24 by 24. Interesting. Oh, I see. Oh, so you can train. Oh, I see what it's doing. So it makes a really teeny tiny version of your input image. This is Stable Cascade. So it makes it more efficient to train and probably more efficient. Okay, that made sense. Then why it's super pixelated for the first series of prompts. Okay, interesting. Prompted for the Gemini-Bear. I don't have the Gemini-Bear-Prompt, but we could do it. Let's see. Brown bear standing by a reflecting pool below a cascading waterfall with fairy-like wings. Run. Adobe-Character-Animator is like the Adobe Express animation, but it also allows live body free movement. Yeah, but you have to set up the character animator in Adobe Character Animator, don't you, Rudy? Don't you have to actually, put your mesh against the face and build the model? The Adobe Express one, you just talk and it does the animation. But I don't know. I haven't played with Adobe Character Animator, so I'm totally talking out of my butt. That's what the channel is. Where's the... They ain't no damn wings. See, brown bear with fairy wings. My new website is filled with AI art. Looks like regular art. A human being. Awesome. Pop your URL in there if you want people to check it out. We'll pin it. A human being. Stability bear. Let's see if we can get the stability bear going here. No wings. Let's see if it adds them. I don't think it's going to add them because there's nothing there. Nope. It's got a particularly weird neck, too. I got an announcement on some newsletter that joined Superhuman AI. Wings are in beta. Yeah, exactly. On some newsletter that joined Superhuman AI, recommend. Superhuman AI? The superhuman, if that's the same superhuman, is that the AI email that was like $80 a month? I'm not fucking paying $80 a month for email. I'd rather just have a shitty, overly full inbox. Let me see. What's my unread email count right now? 3,606 in important are unread. Everything else, I've got 148,866 unread emails in the non-important category. People. Oh man. Maybe he only drank a Red Bull to give him wings. He needs to drink something. It's not doing wings so good there, is it? All right. What are we doing tonight? Let's just chat for a bit because I feel like I'm running down tech rabbit holes. Never send Mr. Kyle emails. Exactly. You got to get to me through the cracks. Rudy's figured it out. Rudy can get to me. It's basically just like, be simple. $80 for email. Not even if it could deal with my menopausing wife. That's so bad. Superhuman.ai is free. So what's superhuman.ai? Is it email? Because wasn't superhuman.ai? Oh, this is just a newsletter. Wasn't there a Silicon Valley startup? I thought it was called Superhuman. Lunastick! Happy Valentine's Day to you. Make a song about how Altman is jealous. My Gmail's inbox is at 126K and change. Is that bad? No, Papa JJ. Mine's at 148. We're in the same neighborhood. Life's tough. Tougher when you're stupid. Thank you, Hair-Growth-Geek. So wait, if Hair-Growth-Geek sends you a hat, is she trying to say something about covering up your hair? Huh? I mean, listen, it's solid where there is hair. It's just there's increasingly areas where there's not hair. Oh, lordy. Hey, Pate, what's happening? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-bum. Pate is judging you, Papa JJ. I would not put up with that. Pate is saying, clearly it's logical if you've got that many unread emails, you just read them all. Or you just select all and unread them. But then I wouldn't know that they're not read. Listen, I'm with you, Papa JJ. I understand what's going on. I got the opposite type of ADHD. I got inbox zero. Yeah, that's a different kind of affliction. And it is an affliction. Because it doesn't matter. Here's my philosophy. If it's important enough, they'll reach back out. It's a kind of filtering. Have an AI bot go through them all and find the good emails. Yeah, actually, that I would love to be able to do that. In fact, an acquaintance of mine is developing a system right now that's doing some amazing like historical Gmail mining. And it's like, holy crap. So cool. I want to play with it like tomorrow, but he's not ready. Have you seen the video of the guy that had Sir David-Attenborough narrated his webcam? Yeah, the people that are doing the GPT vision and the text to speech, I mean that's pretty amazing where it's narrating, video games and it's narrating people's lives. Oh, you mean like Gemini? Wait, does Gemini do Gmail? Oh, but okay, Pate, sir, listen, love you, buddy. I can't use Gemini Advanced with the Gmail account that I have all my emails in that I want to do the analysis on. Do you have a solution for that yet? It doesn't yet, but it's on the announced list. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm so here's the thing. Gemini right now is okay at YouTube searching. It should be amazing at it. And I have a feeling it's going to get amazing at it. If Gemini can get to the point where it can jump me to specific clips within videos across all of YouTube, like find me a clip that shows me, this step of whatever the process is, that would be staggeringly good. And if it deals with my email, that's a reason to use Gemini Advanced. But it's not there right now, and I can't use it on the account that I've got all my emails in. Can we talk about the regression of Gemini in comparison to Bard? I haven't used it enough, so Bard was on a different model. Gemini seems to be more capable to me than Bard was, but there's probably certain things, like there were some things that Bard was doing really well, and then when they flipped to Gemini, some of those features didn't seem to be there. So I would say just give it, just like I was talking to Daisy today, just like the OpenAI, the GPT store really sucks right now. Just give it a couple of months. And I feel like with Gemini Advanced, it's the same thing. Just give it a couple of months, and this shit's going to get better. Can we just, get rid of email altogether? I know, wouldn't that be nice? It would be really nice. I think it's more of a plumbing issue than the actual model itself. Oh, that's interesting. I used Bard often. I started using Bard. Bard for a while was doing amazing YouTube summaries and chapterization for like 2 days. And then I went back the third day. I'm like, okay, I'm going to do all my summarizations this way. And then then it didn't do it anymore. So I'm like, okay, listen. For anyone who's bitching about specific features on specific tools, how do I say this in a way that is clear and plain? All 100% of AI tools today are, let's hear it from the irregulars, janky pieces of shit. They're janky pieces of shit. All of them are. And they're also all changing every day. They're good, they're bad, they're this, they're that. They solve all the problems of the world. They're completely useless. They're all of that all at once right now. Janky pieces of shit. So just okay. I used to try to teach specific things on this channel. I am increasingly feeling like that's a waste of people's time. I think you should just be playing. You should just be playing. The other thing you should be doing is you should be in community. Hang on a sec. So let me show you something here. If you have not checked out the AI Salon, where's my mouse? go there, the Salon.ai. That's going to take you to a link tree that will look kind of like this. And then the very tippy top link is the AI Salon community. That's going to take you to the AI Salon community, and it's going to jump you right into here. Welcome to the AI Salon. We pronounce it Salon because we're based in Gay Paris. We're actually not. And I don't care how you pronounce it. It doesn't cost anything. Well, no, it does. Here's what it costs you. My request is that your cost of entry for the AI Salon is that you read this page first. Welcome to the AI Salon. Read about who we are, why we're doing what we're doing, and what our values are. Free croissants for all, exactly. And these are really important, really important. These values are who... So this is a community right now of about 1,200 people. Let me see how many are in here. 1,100, 1,200, I don't know how many it is. Members... member list, 1,123. 1,100 members. And really remarkable people. And the reason they're remarkable is that they already have these values. Curiosity, like they're curious. They're not cynical. They're not bitter. They're not like, I'm not going to use AI because it's not perfect. They're like, wait, what? Is there a way to make it better? Could I prompt it better? Could I do this? Could I do that? They're curious. They're also generous. It's a remarkable group of people. Like someone new joins this community and just people go out of their way to say hi to them, welcome them in, answer questions, point them to guilds, point them to different things. Pate Motter, I'm curious as fuck. Yeah, exactly. And generous, Pate, I would argue. Exploration is one of our values. These are adventurous people. They're like, yeah, let's go. Let's figure this out. Let's build something. We'll have a meeting on Saturday. You can all come. I'll teach you something. Like that sort of shit's going on. We'll figure something out. Collaboration is one of the values. Inclusive. It's an incredibly inclusive group. And that's really important right now. Everyone, every single person. Oh, and it's not a cult. Exactly, lunatic. Every person right now is going to be impacted by generative AI. And every person right now has no fucking idea what it is, how they're going to be impacted. So, like, people are coming from everywhere at all different stages of experience, at all different stages of expertise, at all different levels of professional background. There's artists, there's lawyers, there's architects, there's technologists, there's engineers, there's writers. All of those different points of view are the way that you keep up with AI right now. Because people are going to be paying attention to different things. And where you're weak, someone else is going to be strong. Empathy is one of the values. This is a caring group, right? AI right now is very scary to people. And some people are pissed off about it. And one of the questions I field a lot is, how do I talk to people about AI that are really pissed off about it? Well, the first thing is try not to sell them. Try to understand if they're scared, what are they scared of? Like, really take it in, understand it, hear them. If they're pissed off about it, what are they pissed off about? Well, it's the world's greatest plagiarism engine. Okay, well, that's one of the talking points that's out there. Do you actually understand how it works? Let me show you how it works. And it might shift your perspective. Because it's not plagiarizing. It's not copying and pasting. It's not the way the tools work. And then the last value is gratitude. We believe gratitude is a practice. It's not just a feeling, but it's an action. Take the time to acknowledge the efforts, support, and successes of the extraordinary people in this community. Especially if someone inspires you, go out of your way to acknowledge them. Tag them in your posts. Reach out and let them know they made a difference. And they're so helpful. Yeah, the salon is just really helpful. So if these values resonate with you, then these are likely your people. If these values like turn your stomach and you're like, yeah, that sounds awful, then these aren't your people. And that's not a bad thing. It's just a thing. Like gravity's a thing. This is who's in here. And this is who we want in here. You know? Okay. So if you dig what that's about, I was on a panel this morning with Townsend Wardlaw, and Ann Murphy was in there, and Jim Ross from in here was on the panel. And we were talking a lot about what are going to be the skills of the future. And one of them is critical thinking and having taste and being a good conductor, being able to be like the conductor of a symphony where you're wielding all these AI tools to accomplish something. That's one half of the equation. And then the other half of the equation we got to is in the future, people are not going to hire other people because of what they can do. They're going to hire other people because they trust them, because of who they are. As AI tools get better and better at doing the tactical execution, what it means by definition is most people can do most things. And so then why would you work with someone? Well, because you trust them, because you know they follow through, because you know they've got integrity. And how do you get to know them? You be in community, right? Like you get to know people. So one of the things that we strongly encourage here is use your real name. We used to be on Discord, and one of the main reasons we switched off Discord is there's a culture within Discord of anonymity. And I think authentic connections as we move into an increasingly automated, AI-powered world, those human connections are going to get increasingly valuable. And so it's an amazing way to learn, but it's going to be an amazing way to do business in the future because you're going to work with people you trust and who aren't douchebags. It was funny. I read through the values once and someone in here commented, "Oh, is this some sort of woke group?" And I'm like, yeah, if you define not being an asshole to one another as being woke, sure. Right? So that's who this group is. And it's really important, and it's going to be increasingly important. And so we want to make sure that we maintain kind of what's special about this. So if this sounds interesting to you, join us. It doesn't cost anything. And hang on. And the first place I want you to go under the community section is introduce yourself. I want you to go introduce yourself. But Kyle, I don't know anybody. That's really embarrassing. They're going to judge me. I know it feels like that. That's not who this group is. Be generous. You introducing yourself is a gift. Because if you let people know who you are and what you do, that might be something that they're looking for. Oh, I have a question about that. Or if you come in here and have the guts to say, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Can someone help? Someone will help. So introduce yourself. And then check out the water cooler is just like a cool little discussion, show and tell. You can show stuff off there. AI tools and resources. This is a whole list of tools. Like if you're trying to figure out where the hell do I start, this is that list. This is the list I personally curate. I personally maintain this list. Start with ChatGPT. Here's 8 other large language models you can play with. Here's 7 or 8 image generation tools. Here's 6 or 7 video tools, or five of them. 5 or 6 music tools, some 3D tools, and some people to follow. To really explore all of these, that's probably, I don't know, a month or two. Where you should start is ChatGPT. If you haven't played with ChatGPT, just go there right now. chat.openai.com. If you can afford the $20 a month, I'm not affiliated with these guys, so I don't care if you do it or not. But I personally think $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT 4 is the bargain of the century right now for what this thing can do. And you should learn all of these bullet points. Every one of these bullet points is a whole nother rabbit hole of functionality. And all of these things work together seamlessly in ChatGPT 4, but you should understand them each individually and then start to understand how you can weave them together in and out as you're prompting. It's staggering. Best investment of $20. Yeah, it is. I just got the $60 a month in video too. It's so good. Oh, that's interesting. It's funny. In video, I think I've got to add in video to the list because it's one that comes up a lot. So does Descript. Descript comes up a lot and in video comes up a lot. So I think I'm going to add those to the list. ChatGPT 4 is the most value for cost. It really is. And listen, as soon as there's something better than this, it will go to the top of this list. This is it right now. We thought that Gemini Advanced or Gemini Ultra was going to be better than this or equal to it. It's just not right now. It might be 2 months from now. It's not right now today. Right now today, if you want to get AI literate and you just want a place to start, look no further than ChatGPT. It can make images. It can see images. It can do advanced data analysis. It can talk. It can hear you. It can do languages. It can do programming. It's got access to the internet. You can make custom GPTs and share them with other people. InVideo is amazing. Once you have trained it, it can pop out amazing videos with 2 sentences. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Gemini is free, though, for 2 months. For 2 months, so if you're broke, it's a bargain. Yeah, See, here's the problem, John Buckley. If you're like me with ADD, signing up for something that's free for 2 months is essentially signing up for something that's not free. Because I'll fucking forget I signed up for it. Do you know how many subscriptions I've got that I signed up for 1 month, telling myself, oh, I'll cancel it? Okay, so in the AI Salon, so check out the AI tools and resources. Then check out the guilds. So if you see this little section called Salon-Guilds, click on Find a Guild, and it will show you the guilds that are available. And we just added, although I don't see it here. See more. Join Vicky's Ethics Guild. Oh, join. Okay. I hadn't joined it. There we go. So we just added an ethics guild. So there's a 101 guild run by Peter Kaminsky, infinitely patient man. Leah does art, Jane does writers, Ken and Brad do business, Pate does AI mechanics, so sort of the geeky stuff under the hood. There's a healthcare guild, a video guild. Stacy and Matt do an education guild, and Joy and Vicky just launched, like last night, the ethics guild. So these are sub-communities within the salon where if you're passionate about this stuff, these groups are headed up by people that are passionate about this and are leaders of the community and are, putting together meetings and supporting people and answering questions. I thought you were going to say Frank's Hot Dog Stand Guild. That's not yet. We're getting to that. Frank's going to have his own guild soon. There's also clubs. So guilds are official AI salon, sanctioned, for lack of a better word, but essentially AI salon official groups. And then there's clubs, and clubs are kind of unofficial groups. The AI Learning Lab Irregulars, that's us. We have our own club. So if you want to go hang out with people while these lives are, go hang out in the AI Irregulars channel, and you can share cool shit that you're making. Who's that? Cindy Kuhn did that? Oh, Brandon did that. That's cute. Oh, that's nice, Daisy. Oh, beautiful. Love you, AI. That's beautiful, Suzanne. So you can share images in there. There's also a chat. You can go chat with other AI-Irregulars. I would also check out Ann Murphy's Weekend GPT Jams if you haven't. So she's got a really cool thing this weekend. Oh, and Pate's in here. Hang on. I missed something. In Pate's Mechanics Guild, he asked me to share this. So if you go into Pate's Mechanics Guild, one of the people I work with is starting a pretty in-depth free course where we will be learning, we will be creating a large language model from scratch. The info is on GitHub and is open to anyone. I plan on attending in order to learn JAX better. I don't know what JAX is, but I assume JAX will be either the framework or the language that you're going to create a large language model in. So if you really want to get geeky and under the hood, hang out with Pate. Pate works at Google. He does maths. he does maths good. Only a couple hours left in the Valentine's-Day Challenge. Oh, that's the other thing. If you go into Show and Tell, we did a Valentine's-Day Challenge where we asked people to create a love letter to the AI Salon, which if you're not in the AI Salon, you don't have anything to love yet. But it's some sort of words about the salon and then an image or a video about the salon. And then the guild masters are going to go through Show and Tell and they're going to pick out their favorite one, and the winner gets a but I want you to do everything. Ooh, that's beautiful. Nice, a human being. So the winner is going to get a t-shirt, an AI Salon t-shirt. It's not much, but you know. Silver Fox, that's cool. Oh, I made this very quickly with my iPhone Stable Cascade. Very cool. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I am an artist. Indeed. Joker. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Chippy! Babe. I got you, babe. Kyle, please look at my video. Practice making images and video in one sitting. Suno song. Where is it, Joy? Bad Laffa. Suno song Bad Laffa. L-A... Wait, L-A... Laffa? JAX is a high-performance numerical library from Google. I tagged you. Okay, cool. All right, so here's a world premiere video from Joy Purdy. Happy Valentine's AI Learning Lab. Oh, this is cool. This isn't Show and Tell. All right.
You're a funny Valentine, the irregular Valentine. I wear a heart on my head, my art is laughable, unphotographable. It is your favorite work of art, oh darling. You see the beauty in the bizarre. My humor is what it is, feeding people grapes to kids. You're my two-headed pigs. Are you smart? Are you smart? In a world of norms we stand out. Our humor breaks down, just you and me, a work of art.
That's awesome. That was awesome. Double tap the screen for some love for Joy. That was awesome. Happy Valentine's to the salon, to the Learning Lab. That's great. Fantastic. That's awesome. Oh, that's cool too. Nice. Corey-Sandler kicking out the art. Very cool. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That was a nice video, wasn't it? That was really good. Happy Valentine's Day. Froze. That sucks. In honor of Valentine's. Scroll down. Scroll down. Where? Here? In this? Ooh, that's cool. What is that? Weather inspired. That's really cool. Actually, that would be a fun GPT. I made something kind of like that. I made a GPT that took the local weather, got the local weather from the internet, and then did some sort of stylized picture of it. But you could prompt it to do super stylized stuff like this. That would be pretty slick. Grizzled vet. Nice. That's gorgeous. Mr. IT, no class today. Kyle's wife. Yeah, I should probably go soon. So even though I got special dispensation to do this. Oh, look, here's someone made one of these animations. Thanks, Kyle, for the inspiration. I personalized videos for all my nieces and nephews. They loved it. Yeah, let's watch this from Tracy.
Hey, you. Just wanted to tell you something. Not sure if you realize this or not, but it's Valentine's Day, and just wanted to send a lovely message out to all the fine folks out there. You are loved, and just here to let you know, I want you to have a happy Valentine's Day. All right now, you take care.
That's sweet. That's great. That's so cool. Very cool. It's a cool crowd. It's a cool crowd in the AI salon, I gotta tell you. I love the AI salon forever and ever. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Thank you, Lord Digital Gods, for the roses. That's exactly what I did, Kyle. I pulled some weather description from Ohio. Oh, cool. And West Virginia today. That's awesome. Yeah. I'm so excited for when these tools get slightly less janky, right? When we can make something like a GPT, but we can package it into a little hermetically sealed thing that anyone can use. And it's safe. You can't jailbreak it super easily. And that's coming. Like, I don't have any doubt that that's coming. So there's no reason not to be building GPTs right now. Just don't have expectations that they're more sophisticated than a janky piece of poop, because they're not. Oh, man. I so appreciate this community. I do too. I really do. I really think this community is... So when I started this community a year and change ago, what I knew was I wanted people to be together to, because everyone's going to be learning together. Like that to me felt obvious. And that's kind of, I did a similar sort of thing in the mid-90s around the World Wide Web. What feels different now with AI, these tools are so sophisticated, and they're going to change the way we do what we do in such dramatic and profound ways that I think being in community with people who are going through the same stuff and sort of actively figuring out where the boundaries of all this stuff are just feels really important. Like, that's only come to me in the past month or so. I just posted a short song to the Irregulars. Okay, let's check it out. Is this it?
Walking into the AI land, my heart starts to race. The air is electric, a smile on my face. The algorithms are humming, love's in the air. In this tech-filled app, there's magic everywhere, everywhere. In the AI lab, you stole my heart away. Our love's like an algorithm they'll never get. With neural networks, our hearts beat as one. In the AI lab, love's just begun. I'm falling into binary bliss, it's true. Valentine's-Day in the AI lab, I'm in love with you.
So if you don't know this tool, the tool is Suno.ai, Suno.ai. And if you go there, you can just make songs. You basically just put in a song description and it'll write the lyrics and then make you a song. So let's see. I have an account. Log me in. Put me in, coach. All right, song description. Make me a love song about the AI, about the irregulars on this lovely Valentine's Day. As a smoky R&B ballad. Where's the D? All right, so you just say create, and then it does. It'll make you two. Haha, this is technically music. So Tired Runner, yes, I agree with you. It's bad right now. It's janky as shit. We talked about this earlier. Every AI tool right now is janky as shit. They are getting better dramatically fast. So I'm totally cool with you making fun of it, but don't make fun of it sitting on the sidelines. Like, be playing with these tools. Because when these things take a step toward the better, and get good really fast, janky music is better than the music I could write. The other thing that I'm seeing, that the way people are using Suno, Kevin Vasquez from in here, he's a professional music producer. He's using Suno to write songs. He takes these janky-ass songs, he splits them into stems, and tosses them into DAWs and uses them as the basis for new songs. So, like, even though these things are crap right now, they're not going to be for long, and they're not completely unusable right now. All right, so here's one of our irregular loves.
Night in the smoky haze, you walked into my soul like a subtle grace.
All right, I hate it.
In this room filled with shadows, you walked in, and my heart skipped a beat I could not comprehend.
It's a little bit better.
Your irregular smile, your mysterious eyes caught me off guard. Give me your love, I can't deny. Oh, baby, won't you be mine on this Valentine's Day? Let's write our own love song in a smoky R&B way. Irregulars, we made me, but
In a smoky R&B way. No, you're not supposed to put the description of the song type in the lyrics, but that's all right. Anyway, that's Suno. If you haven't played with Suno, you should go play with Suno. Oh, la da 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 da. Megan, I'm learning so much from everyone. Yeah, I know, it's cool. All right, listen, I'm gonna cut it short tonight. Go back to the old anniversary. Watch some TV together. That sounds kind of like Michael Jackson. It did sound kind of like Michael Jackson, didn't it? Now that you say that. I didn't know you were on. Hi everyone. Yeah, I just did a spontaneous a little short one, a little short hour and a half one. And Megan, I'm multitasking, trying to get a project done, but using this live for body doubling. That's good. I like it. That's solid. I've noticed the more detailed prompts are worse for Suno. Yeah, I've noticed that too. If you try to make, if you just say to Suno like really short things, it tends to do them pretty good. But yeah, you're right. The more details you add, it seems to get confused. That's a good point. I've been using AI to ask questions of my rheumatologist. That's really smart, actually. I'm sure it's driving doctors crazy. Well, I asked ChatGPT. They used to bitch about us asking, Googling diseases, and now it's going to be way worse because we're going to go in. Well, here's what ChatGPT said about my condition. Doctors going to be like, God, yeah. And I'll tell you what, when the medical versions of these come out, where they're really good and they're trained on medical data and they get really good, that's going to be something. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. But we ain't there yet. Happy anniversary. Thank you very much. How do I change the image of a song on Suno? I have no idea, Laughing Thunder. Valentines-Day-Goodbyes, absolutely. 30-minute goodbyes. I'll try to keep it a little shorter. Have a great anniversary. Thank you, Megan. I appreciate that. Cam Catkin, happy anniversary. Thank you. Dr. Bod, tell me about it. A list of ChatGPT questions. Yeah. Dr. Bod, it's going great. I'm asking some great questions, and it's ruled some stuff out. That's awesome. I always use custom and Suno. Hey, no lie, I've been using GPT for learning more on my cancer and autoimmune issues. Wow. Yeah. Here's the thing. If you can sort of narrow the prompting set, the context window, there's a deep, vast amount of knowledge sitting inside ChatGPT 4. So if you can get it out of there and just cross-reference it to make sure it's not hallucinating on your healthcare stuff, you can learn a lot really quickly. It's amazing. So, super cool. Amazing. Okay. So if you want to support the channel, feel free to subscribe to the lives. You can buy the video series in one of the corners there. Follow my channel. And then the other way you can support it is just keep coming back here, but also join the AI Salon. Go check out what we're about. And go there, the salon.ai. Click on the first link that says AI Salon Community. It'll drop you into About the Salon. Read about that. And if it sounds cool, it is. And it's free. Free. Not like free for the first 2 layers and then it's $1,000 a month after that. No. We won't start that until next month. Wait, they're going to charge $1,000 a month? This is not what I signed up for.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
It's free. It is free. New daily prompt club. There you go. Ba-da-ba-ba. Go be with the missus. All right, everybody. Thank you to the irregulars. Thank you to the mods. Thank you as always. Thank you to all of you who come here and hang out. We need Champy AI. You're still saying bye? I know. I'm pathetic. Mr. Kyle getting in trouble for saying goodbye for too long. It's true, Rudy. It's true. You go start your day, Rudy. Go close some more business. Go help some people. All right. I'm out of here. I'll see you tomorrow. Tonight's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Do I have anything tomorrow? I don't think so. I think I'll be here at the normal time tomorrow. All right. Peace out, everybody. Have a good night. Bye.